Good morning, children. How are you? Hope you all are doing good. Today we will do the sound story related to the English letter R. Okay, children, say after me capital R, small r, small r. And the sound of R is R, R. So let's start. Say after me R, R. It is a beautiful day. So the two friends R rabbit and R rat are going for a picnic. R rabbit takes R racket with him to play, and he takes some R raspberries and a R radish to eat, while R rat takes some R rice to eat. As they R reach the picnic spot, they play with the R racket and eat some R raspberries. Hey, what is that in the sky? Asks the rabbit. R rat tells him that it is a R rocket. Now they are tired and want to relax. So R rat opens the R red ribbon of the R radio, and they start dancing and enjoying. As they are dancing, it suddenly starts raining. So they quickly pack their bags and run back to their houses. So children, I hope you like the story. Okay, now tell me children, what did rat and rabbit see in the sky? Yes, you are right. They saw a rocket in the sky. Okay, now tell me one more thing. What did our rabbit take with him to play? Yes, rabbit took our racket with him to play. Okay, children, now let's once again recapitulate the things starting with the letter R. R rabbit, R racket, R rocket, R raspberries, R radish, R red ribbon, R radio, R rat, R rice, R rain. Now children, you can look around in the house and find things related to the letter R. Thank you. Bye-bye.